Spring doesn't wait for you to catch up. When the ground thaws and the days get longer, the work is just there, waiting. You need equipment that works as hard as you do. Practical tools for real-world value, built to handle the seasonal surge without slowing down. It's about more than just moving dirt or cutting grass. It's about having the right tool for every project on your list so you can finish the job correctly and move on to what's next. But the machine is only half the story. At Bobcat of Houston, we're here to support your work with honesty and expertise. Long-term partners invested in your success. We guide the decisions, provide the service, and keep your equipment ready for the next job. You handle the land, we'll handle the rest. This spring, don't just manage the workload, own the season. Talk with our local team. We're here when you're ready.